this country you call Nigeria. They want to finish south and the southeast, even west. But thanks be to God that the west have discovered it. The west have discovered it, and today they are buckled up by creating self-defense security. Omo Teku. Somebody listen. South and southeast, what is wrong with you? Are you no more who you are before? Most of the so-called our Christian leaders, you are preaching what? What are you preaching? There should be no war. There should be peace. Peace here, peace here. The person you are preaching peace, did he or did they believe in peace? Nonsense. When God was in heaven talking about peace, read their Bible, pastor. God was preaching peace in heaven. He's a peaceful God. But when Satan rise up, in the book of Revelation chapter 12, what did the Bible say? And there was war in heaven. When you call for peace and peace refuse calling, what do? Take a step. What is the best defense? The best defense is attack. The best defense is attack. Listen to me, pastors. Listen to me, south leaders and southeast leaders. Fulani herdsmen or jihad or whatever you call them. The Islamic war mongers has covered south and southeast. Let me show you them. Today you are seeing young men, young able-bodied men carrying tinker boss, shoemaker boss, carrying what do you call it? The earrings boss here and there, moving 2 by 2. Didn't you look at them? Those guys are trained missionaries for war. Psychologically, look at the way they carve their hair. Psychologically, look at how fresh they are. Psychologically, look at their step. There are 3 ways to know a trained officer. Number 1 is his step. The step tells you. Sorry to review this one to you. Number 2 is his body movement. Number 3, their hair carving. These are 3 things to detect them with. Many of them have fought in places like Libya. Some have fought in Boko Haram. Some have fought in many places. And today they are being shifted here to come and get ready for you. Listen, in the book of Chronicle, God said to Moses and Joshua, he said, get the children of Israel, those who are able to go to war, prepare them for war. My dear, it is a foolish thing for you to fold your hand, pastors. They are coming to kill your members and kill yourself. How many pastors have they killed in the Kano, in Kaduna, in Zaria? Have their church food? Chris Ayeklomi, what are people doing? David Ayedepo, all these mighty men of God that is everywhere in Nigeria. We have mighty men of God. How much are we preparing to face this battle? We are not going to fight soldiers or police. No. Even their own soldiers, today they are shifting their soldiers out and bringing their own soldiers around you. Southern Kaduna, do they have soldiers and the army there? What is happening? You want to tell me how secret that can guide you? Abi? Listen to me carefully, every one of you hearing my voice. Get yourself ready. South leaders, southeast leaders. Stop talking about 2023 election. There will be no election in 2023. Sorry to tell you this one. Because by 2022, they will start killing prominent south and southeast. In one way or the other, they'll start killing them. Both in Abuja, anywhere they are, they'll start killing them. And they come 2022, between the month of May to June, there's going to be a great massacre all over. By then, you start running hater-skater. The earlier, the better. I mean, one way, make another change. I mean, you are buying teaching. Omo yoba ni mi. Show ye, omo yoba ni mi. He boy your millionaire, you can be time when Igbo behave. The way Igbos are behaving is making me to think, am I Igbo? Wallahi. I'm Aribo, wallahi. I'm not a Christian, I'm a Muslim. But it's paining me. This case is not it's not Islamic. Islamic does not go to war. Quran never advise you to fight or kill innocent person. It's not in Quran. Quran said if you kill an innocent person, it seems you have killed the whole world. Quran is against all this nonsense killing. But some certain Muslims have decided to become satanic and demonic incarnate. Today, their weapons are in your land. They have hid their weapons all over your land. Today, their missionaries are in your land waiting for the last whistle for them to start their work. And you are there. You are there fighting for money. Money, here and there. One day you will run and leave that your money if you don't take time. South leaders, wake up. Somebody that got this video, please help me send this video until it reach to all the governors in South and Southeast. Until it reach to all the prominent men in South and Southeast. If you don't save your people now, you will regret. In the book of Esther, Mordecai said to Esther, do you know if this is the purpose why God bless you there to deliver Israel?